Working in the field, I watch the dust rise, rolling underneath the blaze, beneath these endless skies. The old plow keeps turning, carving through the ground, while the weight of yesterday keeps trying to pull me down. Then the clouds start breaking, and the first raindrops fall, hitting on my windshield like a whisper through it all. For a moment in time, the world slows down, and I find a little peace in the sound. Some people see the rain,
and they only see the gray.
some people hide their tears
While they wash away pain,
but for me that rain
is a shelter from the fight.
it quiets all the shadows that chase me every night.
When the lightning cuts the sky,
And the thunder starts to roll,
it's louder than the echo.
that it haunted my soul.
For just a little while,
I'm not fighting the pain
I find a little freedom.
when I'm standing in the rain,
I remember being younger,
waiting for the storm,
when the wonder shook the walls.
and the world felt so cold. But somehow in the rainfall I found a place to breathe, a moment where the chaos finally let me be. The thunder covered voices that I couldn't escape. The rain washed over memories I carried like chains. And even though the storm was raging outside, it was the only place I found peace inside. Maybe the rain knows the battles we never say. Maybe the clouds carry the words we hide away. Maybe every drop that falls from the sky is a reminder that even storms pass by. Let the rain come down, let the thunder call my name. I've walked through the fire, I've survived the flame. The world may keep turning, and time may move on, but in the sound of the rain, I remember I'm strong. 'Cause sometimes the storm outside is the